As a new user on RPR, these are the features that you do not want to miss. Property search. As an RPR user, you have the power to capture real estate data to the extent that no other search mechanism offers. In fact, no other real estate data sharing website offers side-by-side listings versus public record comparisons like RPR. Property details. RPR's property details page offers a wealth of data not found on any other real estate platform. Here you will find sales, tax, and mortgage histories, property photos, school and neighborhood profiles, interactive maps, and much more. Schools, test scores, parents' reviews, enrollment data, and more help you quickly drill down to schools best suited to your client's needs. Search for schools by geography or school district and by type of school, for example, elementary, middle, or high school. The system also has a button to show you nearby properties for sale within the school. Last but not least, download the RPR mobile to instantly view on and off market properties, tax and mortgage info, distress data, maps, and much more.